Hello, and welcome to Richland School District Two. We are so glad you and your family are joining our community. A big welcome to all our new students. We are so excited for your learning journey ahead. Let's explore what's inside the bag we've prepared for you in the Engage Newcomers kit. To help you get started, we are providing a special kit filled with essential learning materials. All these special materials are kept safe and organized inside a drawstring bag. The bag is practical, helping you keep your materials organized and accessible whenever it's time for learning at home. Now let's dive into what's inside the bag, starting with the printed resources. The kit includes 4 essential educational resources: an activity book titled English Words to Know for Newcomers, 3 non-fiction books, a set of flashcards with keywords to learn, and a 4-page family engagement guide. This set of flashcards is a fantastic tool for learning keywords in a fun, interactive way. They include common words that students will hear and use at school. You can practice a few words each day. Try saying the word, writing the word, and using it in a sentence. The activity book, English Words to Know for Newcomers, contains words, phrases, and sentences, and it can be used for the same purpose. The book set and flashcards are specific to each grade level to meet the student's needs in pre-K, kindergarten, and first grade, second and third grades, fourth and fifth grades, and middle and high school. And for the parents, a crucial manual is included, providing detailed program information and tips on supporting your students' learning at home. Use the camera of a mobile device to scan the QR code and access the family guide in multiple languages. Next, let's look at the practical supplies to support your student writing. The bag contains basic supplies, including a notebook, a pencil, and a highlighter for writing and practice. There are a couple of important things to remember about this welcome kit. This entire new student welcome kit, including all materials, is provided to you absolutely free of charge. These materials are designed for use at home to help students build confidence in their learning. They do not need to be brought back to school. Families are encouraged to read together. It is okay to go slowly, talk about the pictures, and discuss the meanings in your home language. We hope this kit provides a great foundation for your students' academic success.
Once again, welcome to all our new students and parents. We look forward to a fantastic school year together.